Are you stuck in a job that barely gives you time to live? Or maybe you're unemployed due to COVID? Or you have your own business, but it's so time consuming that you barely have time to really enjoy life? Then stay tuned to this channel where I'll show you many different ways to optimize, automate, and get into a freer lifestyle. Stay tuned to this channel where I'll show you real solution to finally work less and live more, many different ways to optimize, automate, and get into a freer lifestyle where there's time for you, time for real creation, and time for making a difference, truly a difference, for yourself and for others. This channel will show you a lot of ways for passive income, how to automate your everyday life so you don't waste time on time-consuming ways that get you nowhere. I'll show you many different lifestyles around the world. Adventure mode as the real Viking I am, coming from Denmark. I'll show you these many twists and turns and nuances of lifestyles around the world that gives you a freer lifestyle. Show many different angles of how to get there. This is what MagneticBiss Channel is all about. How you can attract that inside out. How you can become that person that are able to outlive such a life. Your favorite version of a life can really be yours. I've done it so many times as I'm the cat ate life in one. I have redone my life over and over again and know the fastest, easiest way to get up and get going again. Also, I'm a visionary, meaning that I found easier, innovating ways all my life to get there faster, quicker, lighter, and really enjoy even the process getting there, because that's what makes a grander life. It's inspired actions, not struggling through, because then the whole project is made out of that struggle. On the other hand, when you come from a state of inspired actions, then the result is beaming of just that, and is very inspiring for others too. So, the way you think, feel, and act is vital for the outcome. All this I'll show you how to become a highly refined magnetic field that can attract who and what is the right feel for you, is the right way to get to where you want to go without struggling, with greater ease. So tune in, subscribe, and let's get moving, because your real life is waiting for you. This struggling through thing that you've been taught, it's so old-fashioned and is not up to date with the fast-moving world that we're in today. So it is important that you get aligned with what is the new era, that you get aligned with what is innovative, ways of thinking and doing, so you can cope through it in flying colors instead of struggling wall against wall to overcome. There's a huge difference. And the new era, the survival of the fittest, are the most flexible, are the ones that are capable of thinking out of the box and choosing more is less, knowing how to find the right, refined path instead of just blindly struggling from one thing to another, hoping blindly that you will get there somehow. I've done that so many times. It does not work. Most of the time, we see it, everybody falls like flies just trying to do it the old way of struggling through and just keep on going until you drop. And it's getting you nowhere. So it's time for a new, more refined way of moving towards what you want. With all these gurus and courses out there that are still stuck in the old way of be courageous, struggle through, you will get there. No, you don't. I've done 20 courses and they all only have half of the knowledge and the tools and the steps that you really need to have. It's just a big load of information put into these courses. But it's not the truth of how to actually be able to outlive them. Get to that goal where you want. So I'm kind of revolutionizing this way of doing it because it doesn't work. And I see people work so hard and giving all they have to finally give up because these courses does not get you there. They give you half of the way only. So this is what this channel is all about. It's about giving you real ways, honest ways, showing you how you can truly get there, make a difference for yourself and for others by that refined knowledge that you have within you. Everybody has something to give the world. And it's about time you are able to live happily in abundance, earning enough to get by and even more, giving what is your unique talent. Your unique talent, so many out there are looking for. So come and share it. One stone by stone, little by little, you have half a wall. Then a month after, you have a wall. And so forth. Everything is possible, not by jumping ahead one day. No, it's that little refined step every day that gets you there. And the right way to get there. Not only half, but all the steps I will show you in many different nuances. So you can choose the one, the automated, passive way that is right for you, and build that new life for yourself. The time is is now. So cultivate inspired action and start moving towards your real life, getting independent from a system. The time is now. So cultivate inspired action. Full life. Enjoy being a magnetic field. On this, have a wonderful day. Cultivate inspired action.